Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to make some winter squash soup, and you have to make it with your basic soup mix, which is onions. Okay, we got carrots, garlic. I tried a little something different this time. I put some green beans and some broccoli in it and some celery. That's your basic stew base or soup base. Cooking it down, then I'm going to puree it, and then we'll put it in the soup here. Let me show you the winter squash I've got. Okay, here's some roasted winter squash. It's not quite done yet, it's almost. The way you can tell if it's done or not, take a barb, if it'll go all the way through easily, then it's ready. One of them's, there's a couple of them still a little tight. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, when that's done, then we will continue making the soup. When I'm done, I'll show you a final picture of it. It's very delicious. It's got several different ingredients in it. I've got vegetable stock, a little bit of rosemary. I go ahead and put bay leaf. A little bit of curry. Curry's good for you. I like it a little spicy, so I put in pepper seeds. A little black pepper. And cilantro. I love cilantro. Okay, this takes about 30 minutes to cook in the oven. And probably another 15 minutes on the stove, and it'll be ready. It'll be some good soup. So what I'll do is I'll puree this all down once it's done in a nice blender. Mix it all. Also, you have to put cream in it. Heavy whipping cream. And it makes a very delicious soup on a cold day. Okay, when I'm finished, I will give you a final snapshot of a bowl of soup. Good day.